So it's about quarter after 12, September 28th, 2022. Got a hurricane making landfall about 2 hours south of here. Doesn't look too bad right now, but got sustained winds of about, whoa, there we go, there's a gust. Got about sustained winds about, I don't know, 30 miles an hour or so. But then we got these really big gusts. Yep. Oh, hey! All right, that branch is down, and I don't have to worry about hitting the power line, which is right there. So this is just out in my backyard where it's a little bit protected. Go check the front yard.